Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a new feature on IGS Pro, to make a polygon or to make a line or point. First, you need to go to the database and your catalog, then open your GDB file, okay, click new, feature class, you can name it anything, new feature, make sure there is no space, right, use underscores. And yes, you can empty up. This one either line, point, or polygon. For today, I'm going to try polygon first, but you can check another type. Yes, you can add new field. Let's say you want to say that city name, maybe name of the file. I don't know. Maybe this is like code. I don't know. This up to you. Then you can choose our projection. I don't know. I'll use the default. Yes, you can ignore it. Just ignore it for two. Then finish. After that, your file will be in the file, but there is no file because you need to create it first. Well, you can go to edit, create, and there's your feature. Let's say I want to make it here onto digitizing city of Zole, let's say, based on just basic one, not to be very precise, but just make like it. And finish. Then you're done. You have a new feature now. And you can see in the oh yeah, first you need to save it first. Save it. Then you can open the attribute table. I mean data engineering. No, I mean the attribute table. Get the file. You can edit the name, maybe usually. That's it. Thank you.